Welcome back to Auto Culture, your trusted destination for exploring the technology, strategy, and defense systems that shape the security of Saudi Arabia. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most versatile and widely respected short-range air defense systems in the world, the Crotale. Known for its rapid reaction time and high accuracy, this French-designed missile system has been an essential part of Saudi Arabia's air defense network for decades. The Crotale system was originally developed in the late 1960s by the French company Thomson CSF, now known as Thales Group, in collaboration with South Africa. Its primary role is to protect critical assets, military bases, and key infrastructure from a variety of aerial threats, including fighter jets, helicopters, drones, and even some precision-guided munitions. What makes the Crotale particularly effective is its mobility and the ability to engage targets at low and medium altitudes, which is essential in modern warfare where threats can appear suddenly and from any direction. Saudi Arabia became one of the earliest foreign customers of the Crotale system, integrating it into their air defense strategy in the 1970s. Over the years, the kingdom has upgraded its Crotale systems to keep pace with evolving aerial threats. This has included improvements in radar technology, missile guidance systems, and overall range. In its most advanced versions, the Crotale can detect and track targets at distances of up to 30 kilometers and engage them at ranges of around 11 to 12 kilometers. The Crotale works by combining powerful radar and infrared tracking systems with high-speed missiles capable of reaching supersonic speeds. Once the radar detects and locks onto a target, the missile is launched and guided toward it with precision. The system's reaction time is incredibly fast, often just a few seconds from detection to launch, which is vital in intercepting high-speed threats. This speed and accuracy make it a formidable shield against sudden aerial attacks. In the Saudi Arabian context, the Crotale has been deployed to protect key oil facilities, military bases, and strategic locations. Given the importance of the oil industry to the kingdom's economy, safeguarding these sites from potential airstrikes or drone incursions is a top priority. The Crotale's ability to operate in various weather conditions and its all-terrain mobility make it well-suited for the diverse landscapes of Saudi Arabia, from coastal areas to desert interiors. Over the years, the system has also evolved to counter modern drone warfare, which has become a significant concern in the region. With its improved tracking systems, the Crotale can engage small, fast-moving aerial targets that are otherwise difficult to detect and destroy. This capability has been particularly valuable in recent years, where asymmetric threats have increased in frequency and sophistication. Saudi Arabia's defense strategy often involves a layered approach, combining long-range missile systems like the Patriot PAC-3 with medium and short-range systems such as the Crotale. This ensures that there are multiple lines of defense, making it extremely difficult for hostile aircraft or missiles to penetrate protected zones. The Crotale plays a critical role in this setup, acting as a close-in shield to intercept any threats that slip past longer-range defenses. In addition to its operational strengths, the Crotale has the advantage of being relatively easy to maintain and operate. The system can be mounted on a variety of platforms, including armored vehicles, trucks, and even naval ships, giving Saudi forces flexibility in deployment. Its proven combat performance and adaptability have helped it remain a trusted component of Saudi Arabia's defense arsenal for decades. In summary, the Crotale is not just a missile system, it's a vital guardian of Saudi Arabia's skies. Its speed, precision, and adaptability make it a cornerstone in protecting the kingdom's critical infrastructure and maintaining national security in a region where air threats are a constant challenge. By combining the Crotale with other advanced defense systems, Saudi Arabia continues to ensure that its airspace remains secure and its strategic assets protected. If you enjoyed learning about the Crotale and its role in Saudi Arabia's defense network, stay tuned to Auto Culture for more in-depth looks at the technologies and strategies that keep the kingdom safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss our latest videos.